Hey, what's going on? My name is Stephanie, and I just wanted to record this very brief video to show you 3 things that you can do today to bring in some more customers to your business. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. So when it comes to the digital marketing world, a lot of business owners are just too busy running their business to know how the internet can actually benefit them in their company, and sometimes the only hesitation they have in hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, you can shoot me a message back and we can chat, or you can take these tips I give you and implement them yourself. That is totally cool. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with content, when we look at your home page, we see that you don't have very much content on the home page. You have maybe about 300 words. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. When we're looking at South Shore Roofing, we can see that they have a lot of content on their homepage. That's one of the main factors in why they are dominating our market. And JCB, they don't have a whole lot of content on their homepage, so that is very beatable. Next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. And so when we are Googling roofing company Savannah, Georgia, the first section we're going to see is the paid ads. The next section is the map pack, and then below it is the organic. So how you rank in the map pack is by citations, which is just your name, your address, and your phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. So JCB has 50, South Shore has 77, and what I would do here is just go ahead and add like 350 citations to your to different directories, so that way you can beat your competition by a landslide. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So when we get to the organic section, this is how you rank right here, is by your backlinks. And backlinks, simply put, is site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest. There's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice that you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you had a roofing company in California linking back to your website, that is going to be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Pizza Hut is not relative and Google knows that. So the tool I like to use is called Ahrefs. When we're looking at your website, we can see you have 23 referring domains with 174 backlinks. When we look at South Shore, they have 67 referring domains with over 1,800 backlinks. And then JCB has 107 referring domains with 489 backlinks. And like I said, they are not all created equal. There are spammy links and there are good, trustworthy links. So we see here, this is the power and this is the trust. We want these numbers to be double digits and close to each other to show that your site is trustworthy in Google's eyes. So looking at those numbers are good. And when we get to yours, we see that your links, although you have 174, they're not very trustworthy. And so we'll want to get those fixed and then add, a lot more to beat out, ultimately, South Shore with their 1,800. So those are the 3 things I just wanted to show you. Just to recap, we want to add keyword-rich content to your homepage, at least 1,500 words. We want to go ahead and add 200 to 300 citations to different directories with your name, address, and phone number. And then you want to get these links fixed and get better links coming to your site, so that way you can rank. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies. My email is info@peerlessstrategies.com. Phone number 912-661-3473. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one.